The goal of this class was to get you thinking about generating passive and active income streams by building your library of resources and a diverse amount of offerings across several different platforms. You'll start to know what is working, and then you'll focus on the one that is working and continue to perfect it. After a year of slowly building your library, you should start to enjoy a nice following that will make your second year a year for building wealth and income streams. Side hustles and passive income streams are not built overnight, and Rome was not built in a day. Do not be discouraged if the first month you make less than $10 selling your products. The second month you may sell $50, and if you continue to add products and services, now you're generating $150, and by the end of the year you may be generating $1,000 plus in income. Stick with it, continue to build that library, build that audience and following, and of course, enjoy being creative and getting paid for it.